Aquatic weeds have become an unsightly global problem and can severely impact or even destroy aquatic ecosystems if left untreated. Despite the obvious dangers, chemical treatments are often recommended to eliminate weeds on waterways. These chemical solutions are sprayed onto water surfaces in order to kill the weed overgrowth, which sinks to the bottom of the waterway, leading to toxic biomass buildup. Inevitably, the waterways are severely polluted, resulting in much unnecessary death of aquatic animal and plant life. Do we really need to pollute an entire waterway to treat weed overgrowth? Definitely not. Weedoo safely and completely removes all weeds without any harmful chemicals or negative impact on the environment, leaving the waterway beautifully clean and instantly available for fishing, swimming, or irrigation. The water is also left completely free of toxic biomass buildup. With more than 30 years of industry-leading experience, Weedoo is perfectly equipped to clean any waterway the right way. Let us eliminate those weeds without disrupting the delicate ecosystems of our waterways. Contact Weedoo today to learn more about environmentally safe weed harvesting.